for ads on Facebook Marketplace involves using Facebook Ads Manager to create and manage your advertisements. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a Facebook business account. Ensure you have a Facebook business account set up. This is necessary to access Facebook Ads Manager. Access Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook business account and go to Facebook Ads Manager. This is where you will create and manage your ad campaigns. Create campaign. Click on Create to start a new ad campaign. Choose your campaign objective, such as traffic, conversions, or catalog sales, depending on your goals. Select Marketplace Placement. When setting up your ad, select Automatic Placement or manually choose Facebook Marketplace under the Placement section to ensure your ads appear on Marketplace. Define audience. Specify your target audience based on demographics, location, interests, and behaviors. You can also use custom audiences or lookalike audiences to reach potential customers. Set budget and schedule. Determine your ad budget and schedule. You can choose between a daily or lifetime budget and set the start and end dates for your campaign. Design ad. Create the ad content. Upload images or videos, write compelling ad copy, and include a clear call to action. Ensure the visuals and text align with your marketing goals and appeal to your target audience. Review and publish. Double-check all the details of your ad campaign. Once satisfied, click Publish to launch your ad. Monitor performance. Track your ads performance through Facebook Ads Manager. Use the analytics provided to optimize your ad strategy, adjusting budget, targeting, or creative elements as needed.